Good morning, friends. This is Shivbhushan, and welcome to Vidya Bhushan channel. So please subscribe my channel. So I am back with our interesting chapter and an interesting topic of the mathematics, chapter number 5. It is line and angle. So first we will discuss about line and then we will discuss about angles. So let's get started. So what is a line? What is a line? लाइन को हम लोग हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? रेखा. And these lines are divided into many parts. Line is divided into many parts. You know very well that the line is three type: line segment, line, and ray. So first of all, I will tell you about the lines, about some information about the line segment, line, and ray. So firstly, our topic is line segment. So line segment has two endpoint. First, we can measure a line segment, and we can also draw a line segment on a page. So first of all, I will tell you full information what I written in this lines. I will tell you. So first line is say that line segment has two endpoint. Suppose it is a line and the two endpoint means the it is called as origin, where origin means anything, any place, like a person start from running here and stop here. So it is origin point where you started. So it is called as origin. And line segment has two endpoint, 1 and 2, and we can measure it by the help of scale. We can measure or not. We can measure, like I take a scale and I can measure it very well, like I scale 0 centimeter. So this line is 5.5 centimeter. So we can measure it. We can measure it. We can measure a line segment. So first line is proved, and let's move to our next line. We can measure a line segment. We can measure it or not. Measure it, because like this, with the help of the scale you can measure a line segment. And third is we can draw line segment on a page. We can draw means like a line segment 4.5 centimeter. So I take a scale and mark a point from 0 to 4.5 centimeter. So the so this is called as a line segment, and we can draw it on page. We can draw or not, it is page now. So on this I draw it. So third is also possible. Suppose I take a name A and B. Suppose so AB, EB is line segment. So the sign of line segment is this, or a line. This is a sign of line segment. Okay, like a line I draw, it is 4.5 centimeter and its name is XY. So how you will represent? XY is line segment. So the sign of this is line segment. So a top line, it is say that this XY is a line segment. Okay, so let's move to our next line. So next topic is our line. So first point is line has no end point. Okay, line has no end point. Second, we cannot measure a line. We cannot draw a line on page. So first I will explain you these 3 points. A line has no end point. Like it is a line, it goes forward, it also goes forward. We can measure it. ये इस तरफ बढ़ते चली जा रही है और ये इस तरफ बढ़ते चली जा रही है. So we can measure? No, we cannot measure it because it is continuously moving. Like suppose when I take it is 4.5 meter and it goes one more forward, so it is 6. And when I put the scale and it will go to 7. जब मैंने स्केल रखा ये यहाँ पे 5 पे था, जैसे मैं इसको लिखने आया तब तक ये 6 पे हो गया. So we cannot measure a line, and we cannot measure a line because it is continuously moving. Okay, and it has no end point because it is continuously moving, and because it has continuously moving, because it is moving to right side, it is moving to left side, so we cannot measure it. And we cannot draw a line. We can draw a line because how we can draw a line, because it is continuously moving. And when we cannot draw a line, like it is moving continuously in a flat, so we cannot measure it. And next topic is our ray. So first I will tell you some examples of line, like it is x and y. So how you will represent it? It is represented by x, y, by this sign. The sign of line is this. Okay, like a line is given. It is CD. So how you will represent? CD is line. It is represented by this. Fine. So our next topic is ray. So first point is ray has 2 and ray has 1 end point. We cannot measure a ray. We cannot draw a ray on a page. So I will explain these 3 topics also. So these 3 topics are ray has 1 end point. Like it has 1 end point. I will tell you that it is origin, where it start. So it is first 1 end point and it is continuously moving. So we cannot measure it. We cannot measure it because it is continuously moving. So first point is proved. Second point, we cannot measure a line. I will tell you that in line also I will tell you that we cannot measure because it is continuously moving. ये लगातार इधर लेफ्ट चलती रहती है तो हम इसको मेजर नहीं कर पाते. उसी तरह रे भी ऑलवेज चलती रहती है तो इसको हम लोग मेजर नहीं कर पाएंगे. और वी कैन ड्रॉ, जैसे हम लाइन को ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते हैं किसी पेज पर, वैसे ही हम रे को भी किसी पेज पर ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि बिकॉज इट इज कॉन्टिन्यूसली मूविंग. सो आवर फैंटास्टिक एंड आवर interesting topic is start from this angles. So, what do you understand from this angle? What do you know? When the angle name come, what do you know? What do you think? What is the meaning of this? So, I will tell you. When two line segment ray intersect at a point known as the point known as angle. Like a line segment is going and a ray cut it. So this here an angle is formed. Here an angle is formed. Here also angle is formed because two lines are intersect. Here also angle is formed. Here also. So you know very well that how the angle is formed. So there are also type of angles. So angle are three type: supplementary, complementary and adjacent angle. So in supplementary, the measure of the angle is 180 degree, and in complementary, the measure of the angle is 90 degree. Suppose 60 plus 120. It is complementary or not? So first you will sum it. 120 plus 60. 120 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree is what? It is supplementary because the sum of two angle is 180 degree, known as supplementary angle. So you can solve these problems, and sometime the question is asked that this is supplementary or complementary. When it is 60 plus 30, then 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree, then it is called as supplementary because the sum of two angle is 90 degree, known as complementary angle. So I will tell you some information, or you can say that it's an introduction video, and so I will tell you some information about angle and line, and one topic is left, our adjacent angle, and this I will tell you in the next video. So please subscribe my channel with the Ocean. Thank you. Have a great day.